Up to now we will see the concept of full subtractor. Now we will see the concept of implement of half subtractor using the full subtractor. That means how many half subtractor will be required to implement the full subtractor. That will be the two half subtractors will be required to implement the full subtractor. I already told you the difference equation for the half subtractor. That will be the here implement of half subtractor using full subtractor. You already know the difference equation. Difference is equal to a bar b bar c plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c. If you can't get this difference equation, please watch my previous lecture. Then in that lecture I can derive this difference equation. Now let's take here b common. You will get the a bar c bar plus a c plus b bar. Here if you take the b bar common, then you will get the a bar c plus ac bar. Here b into, you already know the logic expression for this, a bar c bar plus ac. That will be the XNOR gate, right? A XNOR gate also written as, if you give the complement to the XNOR gate, XOR gate, you will get the XNOR gate, right? Here, before we have to move that step to reduce the confusion, write like this. This will be the XNOR C. That means A XNOR C plus B bar A XOR C. If you complement the XOR gate, then also you will get the XNOR gate. Here I will make the complement. This will be the XOR gate. If I make the complement, then I will get the XNOR gate plus B bar into A XOR C. This will be written as B XOR A XOR C. This will be said to be the difference. Now take the borrow. Borrow is equal to, you already know that, a bar b plus a bar c plus b c. In these terms, let's see which term will be missing. Here if you take the a bar b, here a b will be there, c will be missing, hence you can take c plus c bar. If you take this c plus c bar is equal to 1. So a bar b into 1 means you will get the a bar b. You can't get the any mismatches or any wrong information will not be happening there. Here, next a bar c means a bar c. Which term is missing? B. You can't write b. You can write as b plus b bar plus b c. Here you will missing the a plus a bar. Now multiply A bar BC plus A bar B C bar plus A bar C B plus A bar C B bar plus BCA plus BCA bar. Here you can see A plus A. I already told you. Here you can write C plus C bar is equal to 1. Right? Here A plus A is equal to A. This rule will be there. I already teach you in the classroom session this rule. Here you can observe A bar BC plus here A bar BC plus here A bar BC. Apply this rule. A plus A is equal to A. That means you will get the A bar B C. Next, A bar B C bar plus A bar C B bar plus A B C. And here if you take the A bar B common, you will get the C plus C bar plus A bar C common, A bar C B bar plus A B C. Not take the common here. We will extend to one more step, then take the common. Here A bar B. You already know that C plus C bar is equal to 1 plus A bar C B bar plus A B C. Here A bar B plus, if you take the C common, you will get the A bar B bar plus A B. This will be the A bar B plus C. Here you already know that this will be the logical expression for the XNOR gate. A XNOR B. Here if you take A bar B plus C, if you complement the XOR gate, then you will get the XNOR gate. Right? This will become the borrow expression. Right? Now let's draw the logical diagram for this. Here you can see this will become the B XOR A XOR C. Here borrow A bar B plus C into A XOR B. Here A XOR B whole complement, right? Now logic diagram. This will become the input A. This will be the input B. This will become the A XOR B. Right? Here if you give to the another XOR gate, this will become the A XOR B XOR C. Here you get, and next here you will get the A bar B. That means if you give the inverter and the AND gate, you will get the A bar B. And next another input given to the B. And here you will get the C XOR B whole complement. Right? Here this will become the C. Here if you give them AND gate, and C. Given to the inverter. This will become the C into A XOR B whole complement. Now this will be given to the OR gate. Extended here. This will be given to the OR gate. Hence this will become the bar row. You already get that the expression, right? This will become the A bar B plus C into A XOR B whole complement. In this way we can implement the half subtractor using full subtractor. In next lecture we will see the comparator. Thank you.